Let's go in here. Okay. There's some guy in here.
Dude, where are you doing?
I think there's zombies outside.
Are you serious? I know.
I wish I wasn't.
I mean,
Would I lie?
I don't know you, dude. I asked your name. You didn't even tell me, dude.
Well, I forget things. Speaking of that, I forgot to lock my truck. Be right back. What? Alright, I got it.
Alright.
Problem solved.
That's pretty cool, man.
Hey,
any ideas how we're gonna get out of here?
someone gonna shut the door? I mean, you totally left the door open. You left us hanging there. Come on, man.
What are you talking about?
What are these zombies even doing? I mean, like, look at that dude over there. What's he grabbing at?
Look at that girl over there. What do you think she's eating?
Looks like hair and skin. It's not even brains.
She has no brains.
You think she's a zombie?
Possibly. I don't know. I'm not a zombie.
I don't know, man. I'm sorry.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know. I'm pretty sure we need to ask that guy because he looks like he knows what he's gonna do. What should we do? What? How are you gonna use me to kill zombies? What are you talking about? Okay, gotcha. Alright. Where did that come from?
Oh, that? That's exactly what that is. That's a sine wave generator and an oscilloscope.
Hey, I know where we're gonna go.
Wait a second. I got a great idea. How about we use that thing to try to kill those zombies?
You know, there just might be a frequency I can find to destroy these zombies.
Let me explain it to you. First, you have your frequency knob on the sine wave generator, which increases and decreases the length of the sine waves. Then you have your oscilloscope, which has a few different buttons. The start-stop button, which helps freeze the sine wave to help you focus in on it better. There are also some different scaling buttons, and all those just help focus in whether it increases or decreases the width of it. You can zoom in better and just kind of gives you an overall better view on your sine wave.
And then frequency. Hey, are you guys seeing this?
Huh?
Like, weird vision? You not seeing this? You guys smell that? It smells like rotten meat. I love it.
What? I'm sorry, man. You're acting really weird. Are you alright?
No, dude, I'm fine.
You just said you love rotten meat.
Well, the smell of it and the taste.
Are you okay?
I'm good, man.
What the? Did you get bit?
Yeah, earlier. What? Why are you making this a big deal?
Get out. No, just get out. Alright, you've only got like 2.5, maybe 3 hours left till you're a zombie.
Well, I
Get
mean,
out.
you mind if I just stay here until?
No!
What?
Get out!
What?
Get out!
No.
Why? Get out. Get out.
I didn't do anything.
Please, do me a favor. Can you have a great day? Please keep that away from me.
Hey, I don't hear anything. I think the zombies are dying.
Well,
Let's go check it out.
outside. Yeah. Hey, do you guys want to go on?
Find out. I love nature.
I don't really see it.
Thank you.
You know what, guys?
Still got an hour and a half. Bitches.
Hurry.
Wait, are we in the same room? Why are we wearing different clothes?
Okay, kind of like this.
Close.
Show them where that route starts.
I don't know.
You can show wall